Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Woodland, CA Sacramento Airport. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This California motel is 1.5 miles from Woodland Aquarium. All rooms include free Wi-Fi and cable TV with extended channels. Laundry facilities is located on site. Each air-conditioned room at Motel 6-Woodland features a private bathroom. All bright rooms are simply furnished with light wood furnishings. A 24-hour reception is offered at Woodland Motel 6. Fax and photocopying services are available. Vending machines offering snacks and drinks are located on site. Mountain Valley Golf Center is 1.5 miles from this motel. The Woodland Opera House Theatre Company is 6 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.